Hi, this is TJ again with another short video where we're going to walk through a new feature in version 1.3 of Standard Education, our release that went out last week. We are going to show, in this case, a dashboard that is external to our system that's embedded in Standard EDU. The reason we wanted to offer this functionality is because we really believe our dashboarding tool is great, is really robust. It allows rapid data visualization. It shows real-time data. It's pretty awesome. But we recognize that data exists outside of our system, and that's okay. And we want to make it so that you can embed that data in our system to centralize all of your information. So we have the ability to create a new dashboard, which right now is only accessible by our internal team, but we're going to be releasing this in Q1 of next year for you to add your own dashboards. So when I'm in here, I'm going to give the dashboard a name. It's in our demo school district, the Garden School District. What kind of dashboard is it? Is it a district dashboard or a school dashboard? We're going to make this a district dashboard, and here's why. When you embed third-party data in our system, we can't control it the same way we do data that's housed in our system. So for example, in our system, we know who's logged in and what level of access they have, so we control whether they can see students from other schools or actually see student level information. Whereas with external systems, we don't have that same level of control. So what we suggest is just for now to make all external dashboards district dashboards only for district personnel who don't have the same privacy and security concerns that school level dashboard users have. So make it a district dashboard. And what type is this? It's a public link, and we're going to just put our URL in here. Whoops, not that URL. This URL. So we're embedding a Google Sheet here. So this, what you do is you share it and make it external or visible by anybody with a link. So also kind of keep in mind that you have to, the data you're embedding is publicly accessible. And so we're going to put that here. And so this is, again, a Google Sheet. So this could be a Tableau link. It could be a Power BI link. It could be really anything that you want to embed here that is publicly accessible. So I'm going to submit this, and when we come back, we're going to show you what it looks like inside the dashboard. Okay, I'm back, logged in as a Garden School District user. You can see I have my district level dashboards and my school level dashboards, and you'll see the one that we just added here. It's called Student Roster by Teacher, external link, so that we know it's not a native dashboard in our system, it's an external dashboard. And when I click on that, you can see that you have all of the same functionality you might have as a view-only user in Google Sheets. So again, the thought here is if you've got data external to our system and for reasons, a variety of reasons, you can't import it into Standard or it would be too difficult, you could still include that data in your system and show it to your users. So this is a nice feature that we just added, and we're really excited about it. Thanks so much.